Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine Silva and I make videos all about business, finance, beauty, and organization. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. So today's video is going to be all about monthly planning. We're going to be planning our goals. Well, you're going to be watching me plan my goals and my content, the videos I'm going to be uploading, and just any like business things that are going to be accomplished for today, and anything just personal that's going to be going on in my life during the month of March. So to go ahead and get started, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I do currently use the Day Designer Planner. This one's from July 2020 to June 2021. So we're close to ending this planner. I only have about 3 more months left, apart from March, to finish up this planner, and then I will be moving into my new planner, which I already have. I just need to buy the inserts for that planner, if I do choose to continue using that one, or if I want to use a different one. But nevertheless, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my goals, because those are the things that really gonna determine what's gonna go on for the month. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side. So as you can see, I already have one thing right here, which is to grow my channel to 2,000 subscribers. But that's really because there's a challenge that's going on that I'm filming on my YouTube channel. So that will go live on this day, on Wednesday, for my final day, and you guys get to see the whole challenge and how consistency plays when it comes to either uploading for your business on YouTube or on Instagram. Like, what does consistency really do for your business, and how does it really help you and your consumer? So that's what's going on. So that's the goal for this month. But I'm gonna still write it in to the thing. So I have this little Etsy product that I just made the other day. This is a daily tracker. It's so cute. It's in the color pink, which is my color scheme, and it has the days from 1 to the 31st, so you can write your month on it. So with the goals that I'm going to write, there's also going to be habits that I'm going to be implementing in order to accomplish that goal. We're going to revisit this by the end of March, and we're going to come back to it, and we're going to go through it and see if I really did accomplish the things that I said I was going to accomplish. So I'm going to use this alongside my goal planning. There's about 9 spaces. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, there's 8 spaces. So 8 spaces means 8 goals that I'm going to be accomplishing. So a couple of them will be business. Some of them will be personal. I'm going to write goals right here at the top. And I'm going to highlight, zoom you guys in so you can see. Oh, you guys are already zoomed in all the way. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to write goals, and then I'm going to highlight it pink because that's my favorite color. I'm going to just number this from 1 to 8. Just like so. First goal is going to be to grow to 2,000 subscribers. That's been my biggest goal for the longest time already. So I'm gonna write that in. So it's grow to 2K subs. Another thing for my business is I want to start making AdSense money. So I want to get to my monetization, which is 4,000 watch hours. So I'm gonna write that in. So another thing would be to get my 4K watch hours, which I need in order to start making money off of YouTube. So that's another thing that I want to accomplish. I'm about at 1,800 right now, so I'm close to getting to 2,000, almost hitting that halfway mark. So hopefully by the end of this month, I will hit the other half, and I could start racking up my money and start making money off of YouTube. Okay, number 3 is I want to, this will go in like no particular order, but I do want to lose at least 5 pounds, like the least. The maximum would be obviously like 2 pounds a week, which would be 8 pounds by the end of the month. But to just not be so harsh on myself. I want to lose at least 5 pounds this month. So that's number 3. Number 4 is I do want to journal every day and just meditate. So I'm going to put that in together because me journaling is kind of meditating because I'm releasing everything that's in me and it's very calming to me. So I'm going to put journal/meditation. On my Instagram, I would love, on my business Instagram, I would love to get to 1,000 followers. Right now, I'm about 661 followers, and I would just like to get to 1,000 followers. For number 6 is I would like to read at least 2 books. I have so many books that I need to read, so I want to read 2 books. 7 is currently I'm working on an ebook, and so I want to try to work on that more this month and try to finish at least the chapter. So another thing too is that I've been struggling with eating at home. I've been eating out a lot, a little too much. And so number 8 is going to be eating at home. I would like to make more meals at home. So whether that's like meal planning and meal prepping and stuff like that. So the last one's going to be eating at home. These are all of the goals that I am going to be working on. Well, these are really important to me. They are something that I'm just striving for in life as of right now, and what I'm currently working on. I'm going to take my daily tracker that I have, and with every goal that I am wanting to accomplish, there's going to be a habit that I need to implement in order to reach to that goal. For example, like cooking at home, the habit that I have right now is ordering out instead of making meals at home. So the habit that I'm going to have to start implementing is to cook up more at home, whether that's meal prepping if I don't really want to cook that day. Meal planning is another one. So and just the habit of cooking at home. Another thing, reading 2 books. So the habit is going to be to read every single day. Maybe read a chapter a day, read 2 chapters a day or a night or whatever. So those are the habits that you need to start implementing if you want to see a change and if you want to get to a goal. So I'm going to write in my daily tracker, which is the habits that I'm going to try to implement for each goal that I want. And then during the month of March, I'm going to be checking off each and every single day if I am accomplishing that goal for that day. Okay, so I'm going to move this forward. I'm going to leave this right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. I don't want the thing to glare too much. I'm going to go with goal number 1, which is to grow to 2K subscribers. So I'm going to write... how do I do this? Because it's going to be filming, editing, and uploading. Okay, so I'm going to write film, edit, and upload because each day, there's days where I do film, there's days I do edit, and there's days that I do upload. So I'm just going to put each one. It doesn't really matter which day, if it states which day I am editing or uploading or filming. The habit is to edit, upload, and film to get to 2K subscribers, which means uploading more. So I'm just gonna write, so edit, film, and upload, the habits that I have to implement for 31 days. Goal number 2 was to get to 4K watch hours. So I feel like that's kind of going into this. So that for me is gonna be uploading more. So I want to upload at least 1 to 2 times a week. So I'm gonna write that. So upload 1 to 2 times a week. I didn't write a week, but I know it's a week. Number 3 is to lose 5 pounds. So I would like to try to work out at least 5 times a week. So I'm just going to work out and then I'll check the days that I did work out. Pen is running out of ink. Number 4 is going to be journal/meditate. So I'm just going to write journal meditate for that particular goal. I'm going to grab another pen because this one's, I think, is like running out. So give me a second. Okay, next goal is to get to 1K on Instagram. So this would be uploading more content on Instagram, whether that's reels, stories. Number 6 is going to be read 2 books. So I'm going to write read. So read every night. Number 7 is going to be 1 chapter of ebook. So I'm going to write ebook. Cooking more at home, which is going to be cooking at home. That's going to be the habit that I'm going to have to implement. Like I said, this specific daily tracker is going to be on my Etsy page. That's going to be a printable so that you can print it in a regular copy paper, cardstock. I printed it off in sticker paper so that I can stick it on the back of my planner. But it's a printable, so you can print it off in any type of paper. Mine is glossy sticker paper. You can use matte sticker paper. So more than likely, this product will already be up. The day that I'm filming this is on a Thursday, and I usually upload my Etsy products on a Friday. So it's going live tomorrow. But by the time you guys see this video, which is going to be on March 1st, that will be already uploaded, and you guys will be able to purchase it if you really want it. So it's going to be $4.20. That's how much it's selling for as of right now. But the good thing is that you get 3 on a page, so you're good for the next 3 months. And then you could just print it off as many times as you want to. You don't have to you don't have to purchase it again. So it's just a one-time purchase. You get 3 on a page. So that's already 3 months worth. And then you can print it once you're done with those 3 months. You can continue printing it off as many times as you want. So it's like forever access. Please excuse my birds. So yeah, so that's what's going on right here. And with that being said, I'm gonna add this to the back of my planner. So back here in the Day Designer, there's like some empty space right here. There's some empty pages. I don't know if this was intentionally made for notes or not, but I'm gonna use it to put my daily planner on there, or my daily tracker, I should say. So like I said, there's like there's this back side of this daily plan, and then these 2 empty spaces. So I'm gonna utilize it because I'm gonna get my dollar's worth out of this planner. So I made this so that it could lay down this way and not this way, just because I feel like we needed more writing room, so I made it to lay down that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and apply it to the paper. Okay, so this is nice thick paper, and I'm gonna put it right here. Boom. Now, every single month, every single day, actually not every single month, every single day I'm gonna go into this planner to check off the list. And I forgot to write at the top that this is for the month of March. Now that we have done that planning situation, let's go back to the month. And now we're gonna go and plan in the videos that I'm going to be doing for the month of March. Like I said, I upload on Mondays and Wednesdays, so I'm gonna write in all of the days, generally speaking, of the videos that I want to that I want to upload. I also filmed on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then I also edit on Tuesdays to upload on Wednesday, and then Thursdays and on, it's just like whenever I have the chance to edit. But as of right now, let's do this. So on my MacBook, I have this whole section of video ideas on a kind of like a checklist on there. So I have a couple of videos that I already have planned out. I need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look, perfect. I can write in every single one of those inside that planner. Okay, so I have the monthly plan with me, which is going to be the first video. That's this video that you're seeing right now. And I feel like that's perfectly because it's a Monday, it's an upload day, and it's the beginning of the month. And so what better way? All right, I'm gonna fast forward this because I'm just gonna go and write in quickly the videos that I want to upload, and then I will get back to you on that. is all of the pages, the stuff that I'm going to be doing. So I'm gonna go in with my highlighter and I'm gonna highlight all of the videos because I would like to make this page a little bit more vibrant, and by doing that I love to highlight. Okay, so aside from that, there's other couple of things that that is going to be happening in my life. So on the 12th, it's on the Friday, I have to turn in my TB test. On the 15th we have orientation, and then 29th we start the program. So exciting for the month of March. Now, when it comes to my Etsy products, like I said, I'm going to be uploading an Etsy product every single Friday. The thing is, I'm going to leave this open because I don't really know exactly what kind of products I'm going to be uploading. I have some ideas, so I'm going to go do that separately, but I'm going to write down the ideas I do have for my Etsy products. But overall, I am uploading every single Friday, so I'm going to highlight that because it's an Etsy product launch date. I'm also going to highlight with an orange highlighter because these are the stuff that's going on for me. Overall, this is how my month is looking like. This is how I plan for the month of March when it comes to just planning for my these birds are so active. When it comes to planning for the month of March, these are the stuff that I plan for. Mostly I use the monthly calendar for my YouTube channel videos. I don't really plan for anything else unless it's needed to, like big dates that are important, like orientation and the starting of the program. If you guys like this type of video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.